Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Day after day, you work tirelessly, chasing the dream of wealth and freedom. Yet, the results, they're not there. Why? Because the secret to success isn't working harder. It's working smarter with the right tools. There's one thing that separates struggling marketers from those who thrive. It's having a powerful, irresistible product that your audience can't ignore. But here's the truth, generic ebooks won't cut it anymore. Ordinary won't get you noticed. What you need is extraordinary. Introducing Cooking Magic Collections with Unrestricted PLR. Cooking Magic Collections is your golden ticket to online success. A collection so rich, so irresistible, it's practically magnetic. With 120 professionally animated cooking videos and 50 beautifully designed recipe ebooks. This package is the ultimate secret weapon for capturing your audience's attention and dominating your niche. Here's what's inside this game-changing bundle. Module 1, Food and Beverage Recipe Story Animations. Eye-catching, snackable animations perfect for social media stories. Module 2, Food and Beverage Recipes Feed Animations. Shareable videos designed to shine in any feed. Module 3, Story Education Food and Beverage Animations. Teach and engage with captivating educational content. Module 4, Food and Beverage Tips Story Animations. Quick tips to keep your audience coming back for more. Module 5, quick recipes, vertical animations, delicious recipes delivered in sleek, vertical formats. Module 6. Carousel Food and Beverage Recipes. Create stunning carousels to boost engagement. Module 7. Vertical Food Banner Designs. Professionally designed banners to elevate your campaigns. Module 8. Recipe eBooks. A treasure trove of recipe-packed ebooks ready to sell or rebrand. Every module is designed to grab attention, build trust, and drive profits like never before. Cooking is timeless. It's universal, and it's a niche that never stops thriving. This collection delivers premium, done-for-you animation content that your audience will crave. But here's the best part. It comes with unrestricted private label rights, giving you full control to rebrand it, sell it as your own, keep 100% of the profits. That's not just a product, it's a business in a box. Here's how easy it is to turn this into profits. Step 1. Log in and access your collection. Step 2. Rebrand it with your name or logo. Step 3. Start selling and watch the profits roll in. No hassle, no delays, just pure, recurring income. This is a limited time offer. The price increases with every purchase, and once it's gone, it's gone. Don't miss this chance to claim Cooking Magic collections at the lowest price and secure your future success. It's your time and your moment. Click the button below and unlock a collection that has the power to transform your business, your income, and your life. Don't wait. Success rewards those who act now.